My name is Muhammad Rahman bin Rashid, and today I will present about the case study assets and inventory management at Focus Timor. So this is for examining asset and inventory challenge and improve at Focus Timor Sdn Bhd. After 2 months, I practical in Focus Timor. The current issue in asset and inventory management is manual process and tracking gap. So the manual process ni I realized that still a human on Excel and paper cause error and data. And tracking gap is poor monitoring of tool and equipment lead to miss and downtime. For example, we have a car lift there is a stuck and when the metal oil is leaking. And we have a asset and inventory management procedure. So first we identify need, technician assess part and equipment requirement daily. Then supplier selection. Procurement choose vendor based on cost, quality and reliability. And the third, purchase and receiving. Purchase order approved item inspect after. Inventory and payment. Stock monitoring regularly, invoice match. So I propose for improvement is RFID and QR code tagging. The thing is we can be a asset traceability, unique tag enable quiet scanning and tracking of tool and equipment. Accountability, use link to personal reduct loss and misses. Efficiency, book tracking and gap scanning improvement. And I propose improvement automatic maintenance scalding. First, preventing maintenance. System alert ensure timely service of critical equipment. Second, reduce downtime. Proactive check prevent unexpected failure and cost repair. And the third, extend asset life. Regular maintenance increase equipment longevity and productivity. And I propose for improvement employee training and stock alert. Employee education. We have to training on ERP, tagging, scanning, and troubleshooting. Workshop reduct resistance and build digital skill. And then stock alert. Automated warning for minimum stock level prevent shortage. Ensure timely reordering without overstocking. So this is the timetable. I used to be in the aspect before and after. So inventory tracking before we use the TDMS manual update and they have been delayed. And after user real-time visibility, procurement approval paper-based step. After use the TDMS streamline workflow. Maintenance scalding reactive. After use it, proactive and schedule. And then lastly, reporting. Before we use TDMS, we have to doing basic and manual, and after automated dashboard. So this is make it easy for do the job. So for the conclusion and key takeaways, manual system risk, cost efficiency and operational risk. Digital solution, reduce cost, save time and improve efficiency, and proactive management, and enhance asset life and workshop procedure.